Plant FAQs, Peperomia obtupan. Peperomia obtupan, your guide to this compact and charming houseplant. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Peperomia obtupan, a captivating little houseplant known for its lush foliage and easy care requirements. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about keeping your Peperomia obtupan thriving. See more 1424 species in genus Peperomia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Peperomia obtupan? The Peperomia obtupan is a cultivar, cultivated variety, of the Peperomia Obtusifolia, a popular houseplant with over 1,000 species in its genus. This specific cultivar boasts thick, oval-shaped leaves with a glossy sheen. They come in a delightful range of colors, from deep emerald green to a vibrant lime, sometimes with contrasting variegation. The Peperomia obtupan is known for its compact size, typically reaching only 6 to 12 inches in height and width. This makes it a perfect choice for apartments, desks, or shelves with limited space. Its slow-growing nature adds to its appeal, requiring minimal repotting. Peperomia obtupan versus Peperomia obtusifolia. What's the difference? There's a close resemblance between the Peperomia obtupan and its parent plant, the Peperomia obtusifolia. However, some key distinctions set them apart. Leaf shape. The obtupan features more rounded, oval leaves, while the obtusifolia has slightly elongated, teardrop-shaped leaves. Coloration. The obtupan offers a wider range of color variations, including lime green and variegation, which is less common in the obtusifolia. Growth habit. Both cultivars are compact, but the obtupan tends to be slightly bushier with denser foliage. Ultimately, the choice between these two peperomias boils down to personal preference. If you desire a more compact plant with vibrant colors, the obtupan might be the perfect fit. Peperomia obtupan versus pothose. Picking your champion. Another popular houseplant, the pothose, Peperomia, is often compared to the Peperomia obtupan. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Light needs. The obtupan prefers medium to bright indirect light, while the pothose thrives in a wider range, tolerating lower light conditions as well. Watering. Both plants dislike soggy soil, but the obtupan requires slightly less frequent watering due to its thicker leaves that retain moisture. Growth rate. The pothose is a faster grower, trailing or climbing depending on its support. The obtupan grows at a slower pace, maintaining its compact form. If you seek a low-maintenance plant with a unique look, the Peperomia obtupan is a great choice. For those who prefer a fast-growing climber with adaptability to various light levels, the pothose might be a better fit. How to care for your Peperomia obtupan. Here are some key tips to ensure your Peperomia obtupan thrives. Light. Provide medium to bright indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sun exposure as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. Allow excess water to drain freely to prevent root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for cacti and succulents. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, moderate humidity levels can benefit your Peperomia obtupan. Grouping it with other plants or using a pebble tray with water can help increase humidity. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month. Withhold fertilizer during winter. Common Peperomia obtupan problems and solutions. Even with proper care, your Peperomia obtupan might encounter some issues. Here's how to identify and address them. Drooping leaves. This usually indicates overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and allow the soil to dry out more between waterings. Yellowing leaves. This could be due to underwatering, aging leaves, or excessive sunlight. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering habits if needed. Remove yellowing leaves to promote new growth. Brown spots on leaves. This can be caused by sunburn, fungal disease, or bacterial infection. Isolate the plant, remove affected leaves, and treat with a fungicide or bactericide if necessary. Conclusion. The Peperomia obtupan is a charming and low-maintenance houseplant that adds a touch of greenery to any space. With its compact size, vibrant colors, and easy care requirements, it's an ideal choice for busy plant enthusiasts or those new to the houseplant hobby. With a little TLC, tender loving care, following these simple tips, You can watch your Peperomia obtupan flourish for years to come, bringing a pop of life and personality to your home.